How's the oven? It's I have it pre-warmed up, so I guess it's ready. So when I get done with these, so it's looking like this, you guys. So it's looking like this. The jalapenos is looking like this now. So I'm filling them in with the meat. So I'm gonna continue filling them in with the meat. I try to take as much seeds out as possible because when they cook with the seeds, and they make them even hotter with the seeds. But some people like the seeds in them, so I leave a little in some of them. And the people I know that like more hot, I kind of give them, the hot one. Me and this guy at work, he always make them, and then I make them. We take turns, but he's off sick. So he won't get none of these. Well, they said on the news, there's 12 cities going to be sinking towards the global warming. Some of them are already sinking now. They said Venice was one of them. Several of them. Florida was one of them. I was looking for California myself. I just knew that they was going to say them. They might say them later on. Say the global warming. Part of Italy. Venice is a part of Italy, isn't it? London. Then when these get done, I have to take a spatula and get them out because see, the jalapenos are going to cook, and so is the rest of the meat and the cheese. Okay, you guys, look at this. That's how much meat I use. Now that's what the jalapenos look like. And I put all the meat in there. Big tray, isn't it? So now, you guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to put them in the oven. I'll put them in the oven. About 20 minutes. Then I'm going to come back at you, okay? Come back at you when they get done.